So today I'm down in Dolan's Bay in the Southern Shire, and today I'm installing a mesh system for a customer. So up here he's got a granny's flat, and it's going to be pretty hard to run data cables up to here. So we're going to mesh the place. He's just had NBN installed, he's got fibre to the curb, and today we're going to use a little mesh system, TPLINK, to mesh it. So we've had some pretty good success with these units before, so we're going to use this one today here and see how we go. So these are the three little units here. They've got their power supply and then the app on here. So now we're going to install these in throughout the house and in the granny's flat. This is where his little comms room is in his office. And he's got his FTTC and the Telstra modem here. And we're getting 50 meg, or about 48 on that coming in at this point here. So he's got his Netgear thing here, and that's all networked to his TVs around the house. So I've just tidied up his little thing here and put the covers back on. And so basically now we've got the first one that we've got to put in, and we've had to power off the modem and then click the Ethernet in, plug this in, and then plug them both back on at the same time. So the power comes on this the same as the power comes on that. And there's a little app to guide you through, which is pretty straightforward. So this is just the first one that we have to get hooked up, and then this one will send out the mesh signal to the other satellite units, which will be placed around the house and one in the granny flat. It's back on the modem here, they're all stable. So now we'll go to the next step here on this. Okay, so power on the DECO, I'm waiting until the LED turns blue. Okay, so that's us now, so we're just going to go through these stages and get this one set up. Bingo. So now we just say where this one is, whether it's the office or the kitchen. So this is his office, so we'll set that up. So once that's done, then for this one it's cool because you can create your own SSID and your own password. So I'll ask the customer now what he wants to use, and then I'll enter this in. So now that's Wi-Fi passwords on, so for his mesh and that, and now we up to the second stage. So now we're going to add the next unit. So we've created the password, the SSID, and now this phone is automatically just connected to the mesh system. So now we're going to install the second one up in the granny's flat. So now here in the granny flat, and we've just got the pulsing blue light, and now it's looking for it. So we'll just see if that connects. Okay, so that's found it, and now we will just maybe do a custom one here and say granny flat. Installed our custom location, so we'll just hit next. This will so I'm optimizing and getting it all ready. Perfect. So that's number 2. So that should be nice strong Wi-Fi in here now. So next one's in the upstairs bedroom here. So I was just looking for the device. So now all 3 are installed. I'm just going to update the firmware for the devices, and then that should be it. So it's just installed now. Just going to do a whole reboot of the system, and then we should be swinging.